Tap me on right. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find my keywords, how I know what my competitors are doing to get their keywords. So I'm going to rank for all my competitors' best, highest organic keywords. And I'm going to get them into my listings. I'm going to show you how I do it for all of my products that I launch right now in this video. Let's go. So first thing what you want to do is go to the Amazon homepage, type in whatever your product is. Okay, so Mousetrap is my example. So let's say I'm launching a Mousetrap product, which is my own. Let's say I'm launching something new, and I want to find out what are the best keywords. What are my competitors launching their keywords on? So obviously this one's good, this one's good, this one's good. These ones have all got loads of reviews, but they got the most sales: 3,000 plus bought last month, 1,000, etc. So what I'm going to do is go to the top of the page, hit the X-ray icon there on the Helium 10 tool, get 20% off for 6 months of Helium 10 using the code Hayden6M20, by the way, in capitals. Hit the link below, it's all there. So it's going to come up with this page here from X-ray. What I'm then going to do is shoot down here. I'm going to click on this box here, run Cerebro, and it's going to take me to Cerebro, which is Helium 10's keyword search tool. It's going to fetch the data here. Give us 2 seconds here. And we're then going to type in some filters. And within them filters, we're going to be able to figure out exactly where our competitors are ranking organically in the top 25 spots. Because that's what I'm most interested in, the top 25 spots. So we don't need to type in everything when it comes to this filter, but what you want to whack in here is the word count. Now, Mousetrap is 2 words, okay? But there might be long tail words that we can go for, like Mousetrap, Mousetrap 2-pack, for example, or Mousetrap for large rats. I don't know, whatever it is. So we're going to put word count as 2 because mouse, for example, would just be 1 word count in the title. And quite frankly, it's going to be hard to rank for that, and it's probably not that relevant. So word count, I always put 2. With the search volume, I would put, let's say, so this is the search volume that any keywords a minimum on a monthly basis is going to show us. I'd say we put that at, let's pay, I don't know, 200, for example, because some people will say that 200 search volume of a keyword isn't enough to get sales. Now, if we were just going off 1 keyword, then absolutely no, it wouldn't be enough. But what I do, especially with a lot of my bundles, is I'll try and rank for 20 or 30 or 40 keywords that have got 200 search volume or more, or a little bit less. And then eventually when you're ranking for tens and tens and tens of keywords, that's when you can start to get some sales. I'm not going to put any max in there. What is most important here, I'm going to put organic rank, I'm going to put as 25. So I only want to see where my competitors are ranking organically here for the top 25 spots, just to make that clear. That's what I'm trying to do here. I want the top 25 and under spots that we're ranking organically, and then I'm going to hit apply filters. Now, obviously there's more we could type in, but for me, that's enough for now. As you can see, guys, it's showing 39 filtered keywords. And if we scroll over to the right here, you can notice the organic rank. So what this is doing is giving us the organic rank and the organic rank position and the keyword that this product, which by the way is number 1 from our competitors, it's showing us exactly where they are ranked organically and what keywords. So for example, best mousetrap, we've got search volume of 293. Obviously the search volume is important here, guys, because you can be number 1 but in a search term, but if there's no search for it, it's not a lot good, is it? So best mousetrap there, we got search of 293, and organically we are ranked number 6. Humane mousetraps. Now, by the way, guys, I've been buying mousetraps for my kitchen recently. Just bought one yesterday. Literally got it delivered earlier because we've got a mouse in there for some reason. Don't know where that came from. So that humane mousetraps, 719 search, and we are organically ranking number 6. So you can see that it's very relevant because this is a humane mousetrap. It doesn't kill the mouse, it just captures them. Okay, so what I do is work my way through this list. So anything that is less than like 25, now you can go higher, right? But this is just an example. Anything less than 25, like all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it's about 18 keywords there. Every single one of them, right, that is organic right here, as long as it's relevant, I'd whack that into my back end, my title, if possible, then it's all going to fit, but the most relevant ones in your title, all my keywords, my bullet points, description, everything like that. Use ChatGPT to do that as well. Just to cultivate all them keywords together, create myself a good description, etc. And that's it, guys. But it's not as obviously you need to validate the keywords as well. So look, I'm saying it's easy to just say, look, organically 6, 6, 10, 10, put them in your keyword, it's going to sell. It's not necessarily going to sell, guys. You need to do more research. Your product needs to be really good. It needs to be super relevant. It needs to be at a good price. So you've got to go and check your price points compared to the competitors. You've got to open up some of these other keywords as well and just check that it's not like a crazy competitive market. There's 486 results, so you know that's not too bad. With the top few sellers here, just looking briefly, of the top organic ones, I can see that we've got thousands of reviews on some of these, but these ones haven't. 43 reviews, 49 reviews, 30 reviews, 45 reviews, and these ones are all in the top spots. So, you know, reviews don't always matter, as in, like, you know, it's going to be harder to, you know, rank in terms of PPC spend, but you can still do it if there's loads of reviews in the top ones. But the reason these ones are here is because they're just so cheap. Now, I would guess look, they've put their prices down just to rank, then they're going to put their prices back up. So there's strategies that you can implement. It's not one that I'm a fan of, but there's some strategies that you can absolutely implement. But looking down here, 140 reviews, they're ranking really well. Humane Mousetrap, but as you can see, that looks better. That listing, it looks pretty good to me. So and this one's got like this cleaning cloth with it and a pack of 4, and that's $22.99. They're selling well, only 30 reviews. That is a sponsored though, guys, but they're selling. So you've got to go through every single keyword there, guys, and you've got to check, you know, the competition, check the search results. Is it mega competitive or not? And then you want to find your best keywords, and you want to start building out your listing by doing this, guys. Now, it's not just the organic rank ones there, because, you know, this is just what's showing organically for this product. I would still have a look at some other keywords and find some other keywords that you might be relevant for, but these just happen to be, when you can find a competitor that you're trying to compete with, when you find how organically searched they are and all their results, it just gives you a really good insight into the keywords that are probably going to work for you. Now, it doesn't mean there's not others that you can't find, guys, but that just shows you the prime keywords in my example. Pardon the Amazon pun there. Yeah, because as you can say, rat and mouse killer, that's not really relevant because it's a humane mousetrap. Bait box could be relevant. Now, that might be something different, but people might still buy that, and that's got some search there. So if you're relevant, you could maybe whack that into your description, your back-end keywords and everything. Mouse cage. Now, I think that's more someone keeping it as a pet, you know. So you just got to go through it all, guys. And there's other ways you can find keywords, but I thought I'd show you my favourite one. If you want to get Helium 10, 20% off for 6 months using my code below. See you soon, guys.